So my role with the new BTAC program is the lead PI, but I'm working with a really amazing team of individuals here in New Mexico State, and we're really excited about this program and bringing it to New Mexico. So the overall project is to really look at things twofold. One is creating a very real-world training program that can look at the building envelope of a commercial building and actually looking at how do we train people to enhance that envelope. Complementary to that, we'll be adding a workforce training program that use our micro-learning facilities at the NMSU Global Campus, and we'll be bringing that to bear in terms of virtual reality and augmented reality, and using some of the facilities here on campus that are also involved in some of the energy efficiency works of a main campus like New Mexico State University as a best practice.
This center is a combination of training, research, and assessment for students and working professionals. And so we're using virtual reality for that. So the trainee is just going to put the VR goggles and he'd be able to navigate through a mechanical room or an HVAC equipment. And so it would make it easier for these trainees to access the training whether they're here or whether they're somewhere else online. So that offers a lot of flexibility.
So the advantage of the virtual reality environment is that, many times a traditional academic classroom environment, it doesn't always have the opportunity to have live functioning active systems. So although, the hands-on is important in a laboratory environment, the virtualization kind of brings these things together where now you can see active dynamic systems that are actually applied to operating facilities.
So for research, I'm working with Dr. Abdelkafi from Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, and we are advising students on cutting-edge research in energy efficiency, especially in wind turbines and solar energy at the residential scale or at the building scale. So our main activities would also include K-12 summer camps and capstone projects, all on energy efficiency. And that's really beneficial for our students at an early stage to get introduced to the energy sector.
I think we'll view success by the number of students involved in our training programs and the number of businesses that actually look at adopting the technologies and our assessment recommendations when we go out and do the actual assessments. And we'll be gauging both of those throughout the duration of the program.
But I think it's well received. Every time I've brought this up to students in my classroom environments, they're very excited about it to see that there's an alignment with their knowledge of technology and how that can be applied to their industry.